Once you've configured the connector in Jira, it's time to set it up in Salesforce. First, download the connector for Salesforce and Jira Cloud package from the Salesforce Agent Exchange. Click either Get It Now to install it in your production environment, or try it to install it in your sandbox for testing. Log into your Salesforce account and click Install in Production or Sandbox. Review the terms and conditions, then click Confirm and Install. You'll be presented with installation options. We recommend choosing Install for all users to avoid limitations connected with other options. Your package is ready. Now on to the next crucial step, adding the remote sites. This allows Salesforce to securely connect to your Jira instance. In Salesforce Setup, use the Quick Find box to search for remote site settings. Click the result. Now, click New Remote Site and enter the following details. The remote site name, for example, Jira. Paste the displayed remote site URL. Add another remote site for European data residency. Name it Europe and paste the EU URL. This intermediary server ensures secure communication between Salesforce and your Jira Cloud instance. Once you've entered these details, click Save. When the Jira remote sites are active, you must create a connection to your Jira. Go to Setup and start typing installed packages. Open it, find the Jira Cloud for Salesforce package and click Configure. Click Add Connection and name your connection. Then switch over to your Jira instance to generate a Jira Access token. In Jira, go to Apps in the main navigation, then find Connector for Salesforce and click Connections. Locate your connection in the list and click the menu icon next to it. Select API Access Token from the dropdown. Copy the Salesforce Access token, paste it for the added connection in Salesforce, and click Save. Your Salesforce package now has a connection to Jira, and you can customize it later. With the connection ready, let's set up Lightning App components so we can view associated Jira work items and comments in Salesforce. Open a record in Salesforce, click Settings, and select the Edit Page option. In the Lightning App Builder, search for Jira Issues Next Gen. Drag the Jira component onto the page. Repeat it for Jira Comments Next Gen. Next, just click Activation and then Save to finalize the new setup. Now, when you load a records page, you'll see Jira work items associated with the record. With Connector for Salesforce and Jira, you can be sure all data is visible in Jira and Salesforce.